bad.
We are the bad.
Introduce yourself. I ain't got time.
Pepsi.
I'm Johnny Pepsi.
Dear Pepsi.
And over in the corner is Monsta and all her titles.
Pepsi.
You doing it angry. Cause we can never get through something. And today, everything is Rain, Monsta X, Brave Girls, Ateez, and all the superstars in the house tonight. Chuck Berry. It's called Summer Taste. I think this is a promotion for the Pepsi. Everybody love a good cold Pepsi. And we just know they're gonna be turning up. We got the Sombranims, we got Rain in there. Is Brave Girls Sombranims? They came out way before
Oh no, they came out for Ateez, I think.
Oh, they came out for Ateez. Well, they got that Sombranims. And
y'all, we sorry. This intro took 3 times.
Child.
Unfortunate event.
Y'all should see what go on behind the scenes.
If not, we should really change our name to Limity Snickets because we don't do nothing but
Skittle Withers.
Skittle Withers. There you go, the Skittle Withers. Had anybody heard this song?
I haven't.
All right. Well, before any wise cracks happen again, are we ready?
Y'all.
Start it up.
Sponsor us, please.
Why you gotta start?
Sir.
Not in the car.
Again?
Okay.
Come on, one.
Sir.
I am. Come on now. Yes, he stayed at the
It's
table.
Redzy with the burger.
All right, light skinny.
See.
Look at that beautiful Georgia on just biting down on that burgerous.
Bart.
I didn't know he was gonna be next. It's very.
Child.
You know how you feel about food.
Yes.
You know how you feel about food.
Gotta keep my men fed.
That burger look good.
So you gonna put it back there?
It's fine.
Y'all better kill it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Come on, Ray.
It's a whole party.
Yeah.
Oh, snapback, yes.
Just please don't put those 2 readers together, thank you. Oh, yes. Oh.
We just gonna, what am I saying? He got me twisted. We just gonna go back to back like that. We go 100 minutes, and then we gonna come in with this.
Did y'all see how
he just came around?
And then here come I am.
This is an awkward pause moment. This is very awkward.
You know, hey.
Stomp. That's how I am. That's how I feel right now. Cause I don't know what to say.
This video is going to be so chaotic.
They're gonna be in me, bro. Cause I get ugly.
Why is that always your first resort?
To
get ugly. And then you do that cheesy smile. Stop it.
I'm about to do offset in a minute.
Please don't do offset.
No more. Pepsi Cola America.
Not the big you.
My no choke etiquette. Oh wait, it got the thing in the thing. See, you want Coretta? Who's Coretta? Korea, not Coretta. This is why Korea does so much better. Get down to the Pepsi commercial.
If she would have
America drink Pepsi, you choke on it. They drink Pepsi and they going up and down. Y'all, let's get back to Coretta. Come on out
in with your fine self. Come on, Hung One, with your fine self. Everybody fine.
Yes.
Come on, Hung Jun. Oh. Yes.
Killer queen.
Yes.
Yes.
Beautiful.
As you should.
Come on, you whole fine self. Rain.
Yes. Y'all better kill it.
You know how I feel about you.
Sir.
Sirs. Sir. It's a drink.
I'm rubbing his leg.
Yes.
Yes,
Come on.
queen.
Girl, I love that top.
Come
Yes,
on.
yes. Y'all better kill it. Yes, DJ. Yes.
Why your shirt always has?
Always.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, they got them recording it. Okay. Y'all, today has been a day.
It has.
It has. We you know, sometimes you just have them days, so please excuse the foolishness.
All we do is wheeze and laugh.
Cause it's stuff y'all don't see that happen off camera that we have to cut. So
Exactly.
y'all look. We apologize.
The commercial was awesome.
It was great. Y'all know I love Pepsi. I
Love
actually,
it.
for real, for me, Coke has such a plain taste to me. But Pepsi, it has like a sweeter taste to it.
It do.
It really do. You alright?
How about I say double McGon? What is it?
It does, especially when you have, I think it's that cherry Pepsi.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh,
Yeah,
you know it be
Make you
good.
pop your lips.
You do.
And be like,
I mean, can we talk about everybody in this music video?
yes.
Can we begin with the original Baby Zaddy, Rain, or if some of you would know him back in the day, B Rain.
Yes.
Some of them, like Rain. If y'all remember, for those of you who've been with Rain for the longest time, y'all remember them braids.
Yep.
Try yeah.
Y'all remember when he met Usher.
Mhm.
Yes.
Child, y'all remember Hip Song? That is my
song. Rock.
Yes.
Bruh. I love Rain. So to see Rain in here and interacting with the younger group of generation, that is just so nice. Like, I feel like they can find a common ground in music. Just because I'm older and you're younger or vice versa, that doesn't mean that our music can't appeal to each other. You know what I'm saying? So I love that. Brave Girls, beautiful.
Yes, y'all did that.
Yeah.
They were
Queen.
so beautiful. It's like they feel the aesthetic. Like they were the aesthetic. Like it
Exactly.
was pretty. Love their
Exactly.
vocals so
Beautiful.
clear, and it was just like I love how they got their equal share of screen time
Yeah.
and promotion and stuff like that.
It was bright too. I like that.
that.
Ateez.
Hanju, how you pop out like that, bro?
Because he do what he do.
You know why you driving my car? I told you that's my gas. You running while you driving my car.
My God.
In them blue suits.
Yes. That was a
Dude,
rich-
I love that haircut.
That's what I was gonna say, and it's off, but I love the blue color of this can.
Exactly.
It is a beautiful blue, like very substantive color. Like
Yeah.
it's not like just light, you know. It comes very, I don't know how to say it, but you know what I mean about the blue. It's very pretty, always. But that suit, smooth.
Heck yeah. And Monster Man. Look,
Mm.
we changed it to Monster Man. Ain't Monster X. Monster Man.
Monster Man.
I
I love the back and forth with the rapping of Humble G and I Am. I was like, wait, y'all just gonna flip the script like that on me? Right.
Yeah, they flipped the script. Yeah, DJ H1 up there.
Killing it. Doing it, zooming it.
Show knew with that burger.
Yes.
Bro, you know he was happy. You know he was happy having that whole table of food.
I know I love it.
You know he fine.
And then, y'all remember how she was looking when he had that hat turned backwards? It's something. Notice, y'all, pay attention. When Show knew how that hat turned backwards, she don't act like it don't go to
Do
your.
not tell my people.
Don't act like it don't go to your stomach.
And then he had a snapback on this one too.
He was blue, my face.
You know he look good.
Get me out this camera.
But that I Am.
Let me tell y'all, this man really been. He been on it. And he been on me.
Everything about that man fine. Everything about that man is just it. You ever get ready to go to like a new place or whatever that you want to eat that you never tried, and then you look at that menu online and you scroll through and you like then you find that one page and it's like I want to eat that.
Yeah.
That's what not. No, not like that. But like you know he just fine. Like I want that one. Don't be fine. Don't touch me. I know he fine. I'm not cheating on you, man. He's just a real close friend. I am a real close friend. You know he fine.
They was all killing it. I just don't appreciate the fact that y'all put them two videos in there.
Back to back.
You should have.
If I would have seen any interaction or
What's up, Lil?
If it would have been Show New and then turn around a scene with Hungjoon and then Hungjoon would have had a scene with I Am,
that would have took me aback.
but took you out.
been in the screen.
Would have did.
I love the song. I love the little dance.
Always.
I love the colors. It was nice. It was like very, of course, like I said, summer.
Mm-hmm.
I love the vacation theme type, the bank hand bounce with it. I love it all.
It was really nice. Y'all better promote y'all Pepsi.
Promote the Pepsi in Korea. Promote it.
I was like how they made a song about it.
Huh?
They made a song about it. Like,
Of course, they be doing that commercials be up. You be like, yo, Korea, let's make a commercial about filing your taxes. Bruh, filing the taxes. Like, bruh, they gotta I wanna file my taxes, gotta get my taxes, wanna write my taxes, gotta send them my taxes. Bruh, America.
The only thing we get over here is free. Credit karma, free.
Right.
They making whole plays and songs about it.
Everybody wondering what they getting on their income tax. Nothing.
State or federal.
Right.
Turbo tax, y'all crazy. She said ours.
Child.
I can't deal. But thank y'all for putting up with us with this video.
Child, this video is chaotic.
I don't know, we just a bunch of handed quaps and
Hinge twaps.
cracks. Cracks or quaps?
Twaps.
Quaps. No, that's
Hinge twaps.
that's your bums.
Child, y'all, sometimes we really wish we could show y'all what happened behind the scene, but
You know,
it'd
it's
be
very
too much.
raw.
It'd be too much. It honestly be too much.
Too much, and you know. You just like that. Y'all, we love the video. Shout out to Rain,
Yes.
Monsta Men, Brave Girls,
Really?
Solid, Ateez. Shout out to everybody out there in the world. Everybody who
Period.
Pepsi, Quipsy. Y'all on the list.
Y'all already know.
Y'all do it. So yeah, anybody got some things to say?
It was awesome.
It was.
Well, shout out to Owens. Hold on. Yoms. Shout out to her. Spread.
To Yoda.
Yeah, shout out to Yoda. Spread more love, less hate. Bruh. Shout out to Flapjack. Shout out to all of them.
Canuckies.
Peppermint Larry. Shout out to everybody. This is chaotic. You know, live y'all life. Ignore the breadcrumbs, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Cha-ching!
what you heard.